Welcome back to the AEC video series. In this video series, we're going to continue to look at the micro integration of the AEC Tax Helper, but this time we're not going to look at the VAT tax as if you were in Europe. So let's say you're in any other country or state where if they live in that area, they're subject to tax, and if they're not living in that area, they're not subject to tax. So what we're going to do is go to Components, Account Expiration Control, and we're going to go to Micro Integrations, and then we're going to click New. And what we want to do is we want to highlight AEC Tax Helper, hit Apply. Let's give it a little bit better of a name. We'll just call this one Ohio, for example. And regular action, yes. Expiration action, no. Update account information, no. And then we hit apply again. And then we're going to come over to the settings screen. Now in the settings screen itself, in the custom info, we can put in a question like, are you a resident of the state of Ohio? Could be any area whatsoever. We're not going to be using VAT, so we leave this all alone. And then for locations, let's put down 2. Hit apply. Come back to our settings screen, and you'll notice that it opens up this way. Location number 1, short ID, let's say Ohio. Text, yes. Percentage, 6.75%. Let's add it instead. The extra text is Ohio resident. And we don't want to trigger any MI on this. If you did want to trigger a different MI on this, if they were an Ohio resident, you could put the MI ID number in here. For number 2, it's going to be called non-Ohio. And here, the text would say no. And the percentage here is 0. Doesn't matter really which one I select here since it's 0. And then we can put in here, not Ohio resident. And then we'll hit save. Now let me get rid of the previous one that I had made before. And let's attach this MI to a plan. So let's go to Plans. Let's go to our Test MI plan and the Micro Integration tab, and we'll set that to yes. And then we'll hit Save. And now on the front end of the site, I'm already logged in as a test user, so let me get to the Plans page. And we'll click on the Test MI. And as you can see in the confirmation screen now, it asks me, are you a resident of the state of Ohio? If I say yes, hit Continue. It adds to 6.75% to the invoice. And that's how simple the Tax Helper MI is. Thank you very much.